today is a new and the first day of 2022. So another time you win a year time in your life. You lived and passed last year. Maybe you are cutting a cake and putting in your mouth. Alright, now come on, do something different. Hello everyone, welcome to a gratitude affirmation with Pure Living. I'm delighted that you are decided to join expressing gratitude today, to change your vibrations from negative to positive. Let's sit in a comfortable position or standing, whatever you like. Take a couple of deep breaths and slowly exhale with an open mouth. Next, bring your hands together. Close your eyes softly. Now it's the time to say thank you. Concentrate and focus on what, to whom, or what about your life you are grateful for. Say, I'm grateful for this new day of a new year. Say, I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my beautiful life. I'm grateful for my eyesight. I can see the beautiful world. I'm grateful for the sun, for the light and energy. I'm grateful for the earth, for the foods and all. I'm grateful for the trees. I'm grateful for the flowers. I'm grateful for the water. I'm grateful for the clouds. I'm grateful for the rains. I'm grateful for the vegetables. I'm grateful for the air I breathe. I'm grateful for my parents. I'm grateful for my mom's made yummy foods. I'm grateful for my rude neighbor for correction my behavior. I'm grateful for my teacher. I'm grateful for my success. I'm grateful for the lesson by my failure. I'm grateful for the mornings I can wake up and start my day. I'm grateful for the nights I can get sleep to re-energized. I'm grateful for the massive opportunity in my life. I'm grateful for my family for make my life happy and easier. I'm grateful for the ability to thinking. I'm grateful for the ability of my intuition. I'm grateful for all the happiness in my life. I'm grateful for all my loving relationships. I'm grateful for my smile. I'm grateful for my beautiful dream life.